so good early in the morning when a neighbor gives you a ride to a nearby destination. It's just good, it's nice, these little gestures. Yes, we're people. That's how early it is. Usually that place is packed with people and cars and stuff, and see, there is nobody. It's that freaking early. Even the lights are still on in some rooms. It's just... Actually, I was just vlogging and I saw a person back there looking at me so freakingly scared. I have no idea. Obviously vlogging early in the morning is just unlocking strange things. What I'm talking about? Unleash. What was unleashed? Unleashing. Unlock. What the It's that freaking... Damn, man.
I'm doing my protocols, man. Yahoo, man. So fucking boring. Mleko i zahar.
Your favorite memories.
Some people mean. Искаш кавал.
That's something like a paradox. It's early, it's freaking early, and we have a hole in the middle of the classes. Probably a few hours to queue right now. Damn.
Fuck.
Pretty damn stupid.
I'm the mad alchemist.
What happened, dude? Fuck okay.
I put it in a way like tomatoes and high grass. And here's a brilliant idea. I put a piece of paper like a flag to give him some fucking hope. And that's a golf. With a little fucked up stick in a gopher hole. That's all.
What?
Whatever.
We are not high. We are not high.
You wanna get high?
Mushroom, mushroom,
Budget.
mushroom. Shut up, dog. Mushroom. Retard. It's just a dart. Oh, what is that? A computer? We're not using that thing for a joy and happiness. We're using simple swings here in unknown hood, right?
Yeah.
We are pretty fucked up right now.
I wish I had a computer with a MATLAB on it.
No, that's a program that we are using for projects at the college, and it's just that's the book that I have to read actually about the other project. It's incredibly strange actually to vlog and look at one point while I'm doing that. Woo! And the subway passing through, I'm just adjusting the radio station of my phone and plugging the earbuds at the ears and stuff, and getting right home, waiting on a red line, you know, that's how it's done. The thing that I want to talk about is that we are done for the college, with the college for the next few days, because there is Easter, you know, and we are done with the classes and stuff, and that is kind of good, but we are losing classes, and that is a time that is not going to get back, and I have no idea when we are gonna get these classes, but we will see. I don't know. I will try to adjust my my program about leaving situation in the next month, and actually it's going to be disaster for the next week. It's going to be disaster for everything. Because there are so many things that I have to do before leaving, and there are so many things that we're under the subway actually right now. You guys, you cannot see a thing. Get a new eyes, glasses, I don't know, contacts, something. There was a parental meeting today in his school, and it is disaster right now. I hate to film that, but a few bad degrees, a few bad marks, a few missings from the classes, and right now it's just